So if you want to sound like American, like British, like Canadian, like Australian, or like Indian, but before that, you should need to know that how to use the words you will use in your sentences, in your spoken English, and how to use social media platforms. For example, Facebook, X, and Instagram, TikTok, Thread, WhatsApp, and YouTube, and many more. It depends on you. So I will discuss everything in this video. But before that, this is Masum here. Please do subscribe this channel, like this video, comment on this video, and just let me know that in which topic next time you want me to make a video. So now come to the point. I will discuss the role of YouTube in spoken English later. But before that, I want to tell you that how to use Facebook, for example. I will discuss one by one. Okay. So Facebook, how to use Facebook? Look, if you have ID on Facebook, you can create. If you don't have, I hope you have already. So just follow the spoken English pages. You can join any groups. Follow those pages only where you can learn anything. Don't any garbage pages. Because from social media platforms, we can learn so many new words, so many new sentences, and by applying those words, those sentences, we can enhance our spoken English. And whenever you will comment on any photo, on any videos, just comment that in English. Now I am going to discuss this, that how to use X. I mean, previously it is known as Twitter. Follow the pages where you can learn at least a little new words, a little new sentences. And in this meanwhile, I want to say that you can follow me on X, Facebook, YouTube, anywhere. Link in the description below. Just go through this link and follow me. And on Instagram, just avoid scrolling random videos or random reels. Just try to learn from that reel where you can learn anything at least. Here I am not going to suggest any profile or anything. It's depend on you. Just search it and follow that. Instagram and Thread both are related, so you can follow that too. I mean the profiles on that platforms. Also on WhatsApp there are lots of channel, or there is a feature channel, so you can follow that kind of channel where you can at least participate in a quiz competition, or you can learn anything like current affairs related to any important topic, new words related to spoken English or anything else. Because on few WhatsApp channels, admins share anything new, like new words from the Hindu newspaper, the Indian Express newspaper. From there you can learn anything, at least a new words and new sentences. Learn from that platforms also and use that in your spoken English to enhance your spoken English. Now let's final topic is how to use YouTube to enhance your spoken English. But before that, do subscribe this channel, like this video, comment on this video. So now on YouTube there are lots of videos on YouTube where you can learn, but choose only a few profiles, a few channels from where you can learn at least one by one, in a sequence or in order. So you can follow me each and every day. I try to upload videos, or whether short videos or long videos on YouTube. First the videos where you can learn tense, articles, and prepositions, and grammar topics like parts of speech, because it is very useful. Without it you can't speak in English. You need to learn it, and you need to learn how to apply it on your spoken English. If you want to become a native speaker or fluent speaker, then you need to learn advanced English grammar. Otherwise, if you are a beginner or intermediate, then you can learn the basic English grammar. You can enhance your spoken English too. You know that education has no end. Each and every day we will learn something new. In this meanwhile, I want to say you that please avoid and ignore the background noise, because I am in my school right now and there is a road nearby, and I am in a classroom and shooting this video alone. Also I am feeling disturbance here. Now one crucial topic and crucial words are there. Only following that kind of channels, only subscribing that kind of channels, only learning from that kind of platforms is not enough. You have to utilize them in your spoken English. You have to practice spoken English with someone, with your friend, or with anyone you are more comfortable with. Because practice makes man perfect. So that is enough in this short video. If you find this video at least a little helpful, then please do subscribe this channel, like this video, comment on this video. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.